Discuss the advantages and disadvantages of using morphine and its derivatives. Well, the IB wants you to know the short and the long-term effects. So we'll start with the short-term effects first of all. Now, this guy's being given morphine for pain relief and he's undergoing euphoria, super happiness if you will. So morphine in the short term can give you euphoria. This large lady here is about to have a myocardial infarction, which you and I would call a heart attack. Now I'm assured that that's really, really, really painful. And so since morphine is a strong analgesic, it acts on pain centers in the brain, it can relieve the pain of a heart attack in the short term. Moving on up this structure here, oh, this reminds me of Owl Creek Bridge, OWL. Owl Creek Bridge. That's a great little short story. Another use for morphine is for the relief of pain in an injury. Oh dear. Poor Dr. Atkinson. Oh, he seems alright. Well, if he was injured, you could use morphine to treat his pain. And the fourth one here, all short term, there's no way you'll guess what's going to happen. An elephant going up to a monster. Indeed, morphine in the short term can stop you coughing. So that's euphoria, heart attack pain and injury pain management. And fourth off is used to stop coughing. That's a pretty bad cough if you need morphine. I suppose you're coughing so hard you'll crack a rib or something. The derivatives you need to know are morphine, heroin and codeine. Heroin is asked about a lot, but the others less so. Is this a TARDIS or a TERDIS? Oh, he's constipated. Do you know why the accountant was constipated? He couldn't budget. Anyway, so morphine causes constipation. These are all long-term ones on this side of the map. So constipation, a big increase in weight can be a result of abusing or using morphine in the long term, or a decrease in weight. That bed is meant to symbolize a loss of libido or sex drive in the long term if you use morphine or its derivatives, heroin, codeine, and Demerol. Well, that's a big moon. Specifically mentioned by the IB is theft. This guy is nicking £1 from Darth Vader. And prostitution. The Empire Stormtrooper prostitute. Shake it, baby. Oh dear, that's very inappropriate. These are both specifically mentioned by the IB. That in order to fund your habit, if you're abusing narcotics, such as morphine, you might have to resort to prostitution or theft. And this woman looks like she's holding up the moon here. Yes, so some people think the moon is linked to menstruation cycles. But if you're abusing morphine and its derivatives, then your menstruation cycles may be disrupted or even stop.